Hi, this is C Crane CC Pocket, Pocket AM FM and Weatherband radio. I bought this recently from US market through Ubuy online shopping platform. I've been using this for a few days now and I'm really impressed by how it performs. I got it for 8,000 rupees plus 4,000 customs. So in total it was 12,000, around 150 US dollars. And it was pleasant shopping on Ubuy. I have also bought EP Pro, which I'm yet to do a video on. It took 3 days for Ubuy to ship it to Bangalore, and then customs took around 4 days to ship it to my address. This is the box that it came in. Quite a little simple made box with the C Crane logo on it, CC Pocket. There is a user manual inside. This has FM AM with weather band and maximum reception selectivity. Yeah, maximum reception and selectivity. On the right side we have this C Crane logo, and on the left side we have the C Crane logo. On the bottom of this radio we have C Crane product information about the brand, ccrane.com, copyrights 2021. This was made in 2021. There's a product barcode and serial number mentioned at the bottom. C Crane CC Pocket FM AM, and on the top we have nothing. These are the earphones that it came with. These earphones are nice, they sound very good on FM. They sound very well on AM as well. FM stereo quality is very nice. You will enjoy listening to FM on these. CC Pocket. This is handheld radio, portable. It works on two AA size batteries. It has LCD display with battery indicator and time when it is off. You can look at the screen. It is not in sync with the camera frame rate, so it looks a bit shaky on camera, but it's fine. It looks very good in real. These are the tuning up down buttons. These are 5 preset buttons. This is the speaker. On the right side we have the band selector button, alert button for weather, and the lock switch. The weather service is not available in India, so it is only limited to North America customers. On the left side we have a speaker, mono and stereo switch, and a C Crane logo. On the top we have 3.5 mm jack for earphone listening, volume control, and on off sleeper switch, which is highlighted in red. So let's see, on the back side we have the battery compartment, and then this takes 2 AA batteries. We have Amazon Basics rechargeables here. Behind the battery cover we have some shortcuts like power off, hold for 2 seconds, set alarm, clock, and beep on off, frequency clock 9 or 10 kilohertz. This can be done by pressing and long holding 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 buttons. This is where the belt strap was screwed, but I had to remove it for the radio to lie flat. Let's turn this radio on. We will do a AM scan today. It's 9:15 p.m. So let's turn this radio on. The display shows waving, but it is not how it actually looks. This is because of the camera frame rate unable to sync with the display frame rate. Number 1 and 3, if you press it together, it will let you select the bandwidth for AM. So we are at 2.5.
ಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ 3ನೇ ಮತ್ತು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ 4ನೆಯ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಭಾರತದ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಸಾಧನೆ 2010ರ ನವದೆಹಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಖಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 38 ചിഹ്ന ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ
മണിമുഴക്കം പലയിടത്തും നിന്നും ഉയർന്നു കേട്ടിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ പല രാജ്യങ്ങളും തങ്ങളുടെ സ്ഥിതി അപകടം കൂടാതെ സംരക്ഷിക്കുന്നതിനായി മറ്റു പ്രബല രാജ്യങ്ങളുമായി സഖ്യങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയെടുക്കുവാൻ सांस्कृतिक विरासत है, उसको बरकरार रखते हुए विकासात्मक योजनाओं के साथ जोड़कर भविष्य का निर्माण करने के पीछे जो इस देश का उद्देश्य है उसमें वो समाहित हो। और अभी मंत्रालय के माध्यम से हमने एक महत्वपूर्ण कार्य योजना
ಸಾಧಿಸಿತು. ಅಭಿಮನ್ಯು ಪುರಾಣಿಕ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಎದುರಾಳಿಯನ್ನ ಮಣಿಸಿದರೆ SP ಸೇತುರಾಮ್ ಸೋತರು. ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ತಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಚಿನ ಪದಕ ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಕಾಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಗುರುರಾಜ್. सभी विद्यार्थियों को यह सुनिश्चित करने के लिए यह योजना प्रारंभ की है। इसके साथ साथ ही यदि हम इस वर्ष को लें तो अभी हमने एक आदि समस्त जाति आशीर्वाद प्राप्त हेबे। तेबे केतेबेले ईश्वर अब्राहम को निकट रे सुसमाचार प्रचार कले जेतेबेले कि से ताहांकर पुत्र को होम निमंते से बेदी उपरे
का ध्यान रखते हुए ये योजना प्रारंभ किया गया। तीसरा, एक जनजाति मिशन जिसके माध्यम से हमारा ट्राइफेड कार्य कर रहा है। बंधन विकास केंद्र यानी ट्राइफेड के माध्यम से मूल्य संवर्धन हो और
உங்கள் அன்பு அறிவிப்பாளர் சித்ரா திருவாள்.
That's the end of medium wave AM band scan. The speaker on this radio is very tiny, and the sound quality is very tiny as well. I wish this had a little bit bigger speaker with a wide frequency sound. But then comparing its size, I think this is what we can get out of a tiny radio. AM performance on this radio is brilliant. Today it was a cloudy day, so I didn't expect much of the outcome from this, but then it performed very well. FM is very good. We will do a FM band scan in the near future, and I'll also try looping it with Texan loop antenna and mini-whip antenna. So in the future videos we will again revisit C-Crane CC Pocket. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for your time, and you guys have a good day.